Hello everybody, today I play with my Model 55. At the moment this machine is only connected to this MAU. It's not connected to my home token ring network because I want to separate and play with it. The main token ring network has all my newer machines and I want to start fresh with the old machines. The other old machines are on an Arcnet network, so I went to the internet, I searched, and luckily there was someone selling the cards for this machine. I bought two of them. Thank you, Christian. Uh, Now, first step is make a copy of the so-called reference disk, because this machine don't have a BIOS like other machines, so you can set things up. Now it's all done with a diskette. Luckily, the seller has put the IDs on the card, so I can, after I make a copy of the ref disk, put the needed files on the card and install it into my 55 machine and bring it to the network. You can just see the active Arcnet hub, and over here I have a little passive hub, so you connect even more machines to the hub. But at the moment I'm just connecting this one to my Model 30 and to the main server, and behind me you can see it is the diskless workstation I make some videos about. I have to do some things with it because the machine is thinking it has 22 MB, but it has only 4, so there are some diff switches set wrong. It's not like this one. You put in a disk and you see the settings in the menu and you can change it. But first let's boot the machine and see if it's work. Copy the reference disk, and then after that I'll put in the, I think what is it called, Thomas-Conrad card, because I have the driver disk, the original driver disk for it. So boot the machine and see if it's still working. Yeah, it's counting up the memory. That's nice. So the machine is working. Now we can turn it off and open it to put in the next network card. For now I place in the TC Thomas-Conrad Arcnet card and see if it's working. One moment. So this is the card I want to put in the machine. I don't know if the camera is focusing on it. Let's put it in and boot the machine. So the cards are in. I had to rearrange some cards. The smaller token ring card at the bottom, because the Dallas chip has a battery on top and it's hitting the other cards. So the normal Dallas chip would work okay, and the Necroware remake would work also, but I replaced the internal battery with a battery holder for a CR32 on top of the chip, and it's a little bigger. Now let's boot the machine with a copy of the reference disk inside and follow the steps. setting from compatible to enhanced. Oh, it's detected. Yes, server is found. So it's working. A little bit of a struggle, but it was working. Now it's connected to the network. Maybe I can run some benchmarks and compare the systems I already have on the Arcnet network. I don't know what program to use, so if you got a suggestion, put it in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.